Hello, everybody. If you're watching in the future, hey, great. Um, yeah, so yesterday we spent some time doing. So we're building the Progress app. It is a daily app. It's a daily usage app which allows you to gamify your habits. And yesterday we worked on creating the sign in and create account and sign in pages. So here we go, create accounts and sign in. And this is connected to the Firebase database, which is managed by Google. So I don't need to do much of the database management myself. All I need to do is connect my app to their system so that any new user can immediately just get onboarded and get started. And yesterday, at the end of the day, we kind of I couldn't show that the sign-in page worked, but that was because I had an exceedingly difficult password. So I am going to let me just real quick prove that it works. I don't. So okay, so what this means that submit is confirmed. Everything should be stored in our backend. In our backend, as in we're still working on that. We're working on state management, and we're working on. So once submit would be confirmed, we would be taken to the next page, which would be the progress page. But for now, this works. And if we put like an obviously wrong password, Firebase will tell you that it's invalid credentials. And also, apparently Firebase only allows passwords which are 6 characters or more. So this is automatically wrong. But yeah. And let me also quickly go through what we have on the other side. So this is sign-in page. And we have app.tsx. So right now it is we're literally using just a boolean or like a variable to tell us, hey, is it authenticated? It's just like a temporary kind of thing. And let's say you are authenticated, right? You're using your email or whatever. This is your email. Let's assume. So this would be the actual functionality of your code. Every day you would build your progress on activities you want to work on. So let's say you want to build apps every day. So yeah, let's say okay, I created some new stuff on the app and I'm done for the day. I'm just gonna hit progress. Is 74, and then that would be it. But the UI currently is not amazing. Firstly, once you hit it once. So okay, you hit 73 and you went to 74. This should say that okay, come back again tomorrow. That's what it should be telling us. But right now, it's literally just a counter. I could just hit this however many times and say I have 80 progress. So that's so we need to work on that. Also, these numbers are hard coded, so that we'll have to work on. Activities page, this would be to edit your activities. Let's say after a month you want to change your activity. Let's say you want to draw instead of going outside. You want to have like an in month and work on that. Then you should be able to do that. And also without losing your streak. If you can maintain a 30 plus streak, then I'm thinking of making that like you just keep your streak, but you can change your activity. We'll see about that, but that's not part of the MVP. So I already built this app in swiftui and it's already published on the iOS App Store, but we're doing this because our Android peeps are also should be able to use the app. So yeah, tutorial for people who don't know how to who might not know how to use the app. Tutorial would help them. Book recommendations. I'm thinking of um, making like a discussions page for people who think that, hey, yeah, this might. Um, how can you implement this app in a more healthy way? So you might have something about focus. There is a very interesting book about focus, which I would definitely put up here, saying that, yeah, in this age of technology and everything, you need to maintain your focus to be able to build your habits. So I would add that book here. And then this is all like maintenance kind of things: log out, delete account, buy an in-app purchase. This is all like personal stuff that every user should be able to maintain on their own. So this is our current progress in building the Progress app, right? Um, yeah, and we also have. So we were thinking of using Redux to handle state management. And what is state management? We are going to, so once we authenticate as, hey, this is my email account I'm in, we need to be able to maintain this information. So every time we talk to the database, we can be, hey, give me email.com's progress for snowboarding. Or let's say I want to change building apps to something else, so when I change the page. So instead of every time we call the database, we can just maintain it in the front end a little bit. So that's a little bit more efficient and less expensive on the part of like electricity and like database call, all of that stuff. So state management. The problem is we made a decision yesterday saying that once we sign in, we're going to save it using Secure Store. So this information is privileged information, right? Email at email.com, and then there will be like a number ID, a UID or UUID. So that is privileged information that should not be unencrypted, and Redux is currently unencrypted. So either what we could do is we could say, hey, also, by the way, when we change these tabs, every time the app would have to like, if we don't save this information, every time we jump from this page to this page to this page, we would have to do database calls again or whatever, right? So by using Redux or by using Secure Store, we would be able to maintain the state. The problem is we want it to be completely secure. So we're going to be using Secure Store, set item async, and then I'm presuming there's a get item async somewhere. So yeah. So that's why I'm a little bit questioning why we need Redux then. So because Redux normally would be used to do that, but since we're using like a secure storage system ourselves, we don't actually need to we don't need any state management, if I'm not wrong. Everything else is, so the state would just be saved in Secure Store. That is something we can work on today. We can also work on getting the progress from getting each progresses. So there are 3 activities. So within the Firebase database, we should be able to get the information and display it. So right now it's showing email at email.com. That's not the email that we signed in with, if you remember properly, right? So the email should kind of show here. We could also add a display name, but that would be later on. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff we can be building right now. So it is a matter of building and choosing what to build. Let me save this. Okay, so yeah, so we can definitely start with so we have secure store. So all the information here should be available for usage. So yeah. Actually, what we can do is, before we jump into this, so now that okay, let me first switch to our is authenticated is equal to false, just because this is where we're normally at, right? So, all right. Hello. Oh, we removed this thing. Sorry. We removed the set state, which would normally put out like this thing, error message. So since we're not getting an error message, we can assume that it's correct. So yes, this works. Now we need to navigate to navigation. So we've done that code a little bit over here, app.tsx, or no, create account, right? So we use navigation. I think we have that, right? Yeah, use navigation, and okay, navigation.navigate to our next page would be progress. If I am not mistaken, so we have progress.tsx, navigate with payload name was not handled by any. Do you see a screen name progress? So let's check what pages we have. I'm pretty sure we have a progress name. Yes, icon name. So the icon name doesn't mean much. That's not what we're worried about. All right, time to ask ChatGPT for help in vibe coding. So we have tab navigator and stack navigator. Do we need to add stack navigator here too? Let's do this. All right, we'll just do this. Let's just give it the full context. And where is our code for signin.tsx? Issue here. Do you have a screen named progress? Do we need to add progress to the stack in app.tsx too? And let's add a quick added app.tsx and sign in page. Let me know if we need to add progress to the stack. Navigation stack? What stack is it? Stack navigator. I think we do. Yes, you'll need to add Right now, progress only exists. Not recommended because progress is part of the main app, not authentication. Navigate to main tabs instead. Recommended. Navigate to main tabs after signing in. Modify app.tsx. Give main tabs a stack navigator. Okay, so got it. Modify app.tsx's navigation. I could question this more, but this makes sense. So now navigate to main tabs.tsx. What are they asking me to do? App.tsx, and instead of tab.navigator, make it so app stack. What the fuck? Oh, so they made like a whole new, okay, they made a whole new, I don't need to remove any code. So main tabs can be just as it is. Name is equal to main tabs. Alright, we'll see if this works. So this might just be a VS Code issue. Modify signin.tsx to navigate to main tabs. And okay. And I'm just gonna reset the simulator because that might be too much. If you're trying to navigate to okay, whatever. I'm not gonna read that. npm start. Okay. All right, let's see what happens now. Okay, error. Navigate with payload name main tabs was not handled. Do you have a screen named main tabs? Okay, so there was an error here. Navigation.navigate to main tabs didn't work. So sign in app.tsx name. Update your navigation. Use navigation container as a parent navigator. To use a single stack navigator that contains both auth and root stack param list. Okay, root stack would be okay. I mean, it makes sense, right? So we're gonna do auth stack. Just gonna copy it. No point in. Okay, dude, I need to do prettier at some point. I need to do that soon. Const root stack is equal to create stack navigator. Okay. Oh wait, so never mind. So this would be so root stack param list is a completely different one apparently. Main tabs undefined. Root stack is equal to root stack param list. Okay, modify your navigation structure, and here we would do store is equal to store. So where are we? Navigation container root stack. Root stack dot something, right? Navigator. Is this it? Screen options is equal to they're shown false. And here we do the is authenticated, right? We're gonna remove the is authenticated part very soon actually, but okay, we'll just roll with it for now. Let's make sure it works. Typical comp sci stuff, right? Root stack screen. Else, just copy this. Auth tabs with auth tabs, auth stack. Root stack navigator. Okay, navigation container, and then status. Okay, are we still seeing name is equal to main tabs issue? Yeah, update signin.tsx. That's fine. So app stack isn't being called at all. So maybe we can just do this. Auth stack is called. Yeah, okay. I think we're fine to do a restart again. Do you have a screen named? Okay, there wasn't any error here. Dismiss, dismiss. Okay, in sign in, navigate to main tabs. That's correct, right? Navigation.navigate to main tabs. Yeah, it's correct. So this, okay, we're not even waiting for this. Okay, I mean, we're doing that, but main tabs. we're just gonna, nope, wrong thing. Copy this. Look correct. Why? Yeah, that's the issue. Should not contain. Auth stack param list should not contain. Okay, so here we need auth stack should only contain authenticator related screens. Let me read the code. So root stack is auth stack and main. Let's move that to the top. Let's just, okay, auth stack and main tabs undefined. Auth stack param list, sign in, create, and I'm guessing root tab, whatever. Root tab param list, progress activities, explore. Yes. Create stack navigators. Root stack is root stack param list. Stack is stack navigator auth stack param list. Create bottom tab, tab param list, false, toggle list for testing. Okay, const auth stack. Stack navigator, stack screen. This is all fine. So sign in and create. The order doesn't matter. App stack is, firstly, we're not even using app stack, but okay, main tabs, bottom navigation tabs, switch, route name, progress activities, blah blah blah, ion, icons. Okay. Yeah, this is fine. Export default app. Okay, provider, blah blah blah. Okay, stack navigator, screen options shown false, is authenticated, question mark, root stack screen, name main tabs, main tabs. Oh, okay. Alright, do we try again? We try again. I know we could just, we can just fire it up again, but okay. Might as well, right? This is a common problem I see, the red stuff. Okay. Cursor, come on. Okay. Okay, navigate is still not, do you still, alright, we just need to, main tabs to be a standalone screen, but okay, just gonna follow what they say. Const main tabs, so they did it right before. I don't think anything has changed here. They would have put a comment here. Okay. nvm. Is this gonna work? This is the only difference as far as I can tell. Okay, so it's not me. I mean, obviously it's not me, but okay. Password is correct. What's the first error here? Okay, this is not important. Still running into problems. All right, let's stop. Let's just do this. Let's put this in a new. The hell is our phone? Okay, settings. This isn't settings. Okay, it seems like it's mostly the same stuff that they have given us before. We've done this, right? Replace this with this. Alright, this might be trash. I'm just gonna copy the whole. Okay, if is authenticated, main tabs, app stack. So you're just gonna use app stack instead of, okay. Main tabs is not the issue, I'm pretty sure. Okay, they haven't given the full code. We're just gonna do this then. Replace this with this. Main tabs. Auth stack is there. Main tabs are there. Okay, const app stack. Okay, this is clearly unused, so great. Take it out. Wait, we had this before. Oh my god. This is gonna, oh my god, this is not gonna solve the issue. I can smell it from here. Please, someone help. Okay, get rid of. Name is equal to app stack. Wow, another error, dude. Type definitions, please. Please. Okay, what? So here you did main tabs undefined. I'm pretty sure it is there. Root stack param list main tabs is there. Change this to test main. So is it supposed to be? What did you do different here? So we're looking at the error here. Main tabs. What did you do differently? So do you just take out the whole? Okay, we need to understand the code now. This is not gonna solve it. Oh. Auth stack. Main tabs. So you want this to be true, right? Is authenticated. We can remove this now if testing it on emulators is easier. Conditional, which might be causing confusion. We can ensure main tabs is always displayed but cleaned up without is authenticated. I want to test the. Okay, wait. We have sign in. Test the transition from auth to main tabs. This is the code from which stores the UID. We can check if UID is there to make conditional. What are you doing? Use effect? Use effect. Oh my god. What the hell is this? Set item async. Brother, what is this code? Is loading, set is loading to true. User, set user. I'm just gonna copy the user part right now. False. Okay, we make it null, dude. Make user a boolean, we won't be saving the sign-in info. Firstly, this code I gave is in sign in TSX, so don't worry about that. Just make user a boolean, and if secure store has a non-null value to UID, then change state. Okay. Use effect. How do we get secure store? Import star as secure store from. Okay. Just gonna do this. I don't care about the loading as much as I care about. Okay. If is loading, return this. If not, then return all of this. So here now we have to deal with, so again, you're doing just main tabs and all of that, right? So take out the is authenticated. Okay, we just make it is. Okay, we'll try it. Let's try. Did it work? Okay, we need to try it again. That might have just worked. That's why it just jumped directly to the lead code page or whatever. Okay, we need to make a logout page. I just want to see how that works. Just as full confirmation. I'm pretty sure it works. This works now. Is user logged in? But let's do the logout just because I want to see, okay, are we logged out? All of that stuff. Settings, size, text. How do we do this? So how do we do buttons in progress? So we literally just made text clickable, right? Yeah, so on press, okay. All right, dude, log out, on press, okay, what's wrong with this? Hello, bro. I don't know, we'll just put something random. Okay, what's wrong with this? Okay. Handle submit. Do I need to, oh, I need to import this. Remove braces. Text style. Oh wait, this is size text. Okay, this is again, oh my god. This is why I wanted links, man. It's so sad. Okay, text. Text. You can't style these random things. You need to text. On press handle logout, and then we can do style is equal to styles dot text. Hopefully that's correct. That looks correct. I don't want to delete my account. I already like my account, so I'm just gonna say handle delete. We'll work on this last time. Delete my account. On press, make this. Man, I'm not explaining much out here, which I need to work on. But basically, yeah, I'm pretty sure it works. So I want to make sure that we log out, and then once we log out, we can sign in, and then I want to see the actual transition happen from sign in page to, you know, the progress or whatever. So right now we just directly signed in, because the thing is right now we're in the emulator, and the emulator stores your previous state from the last whatever. So yeah, it's just, yeah, so right now we work on that. Const delete. I'm just gonna do a status thing. So text style is equal to style.text. Let status equal to, oh no, wait, we need to do const status set status with the use state. Import this, and here we do cannot find state status. Set status to we'll delete the account when the time comes. We can also do this, logging out, although it's kind of immaterial. I mean, we can just keep it. Set status, and then we would do, so what's the opposite of secure store dot, you know, so we have UID. Okay, so we're at settings page. I'm just gonna ask ChatGPT to give me the opposite of. I'm pretty sure it's just this thing, but might as well, right? This is logging out, and when signing in, we store UID, verified, and display and email. When logging off, remove from secure store. Also, is there a Firebase auth log out feature function? I'm pretty sure there is. Sign out. Okay. Delete item async. Great. So this is exactly what we need. Let's comment these out. What the hell? Okay. Yes, I will display name 2. I'm not doing display name now. Try await auth dot. Okay, we need the auth module and we need secure store. So we're gonna go here, Firebase, blah 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 blah. Where is this? So here is our first import. Okay, await. Why is this? This needs to be async, right? Yeah. Okay, auth. Cannot find auth. You will, bro. You will import auth from. So this is our this thing. Here we just added here. Import auth. Dot sign out. And we're just gonna do this. I mean, normally we would navigate to like sign in page, right? Or something, but we're but we'll worry about that later. Nothing happened. What? Hello, good sir. Yo, bro. Okay. Just gonna. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, so we're apparently logged in. So are we logged out now? Can we log out? Are we always just gonna be logged in? What did we do wrong? Wait, what is going on with this? Wait a minute. The fuck? So, what's wrong here? Why do we keep coming to this? Um, User successfully logged out. Or error. What's the error? Is there an error here? There might just be an error and it's not showing up because we didn't account for that. Okay, let's see. Log out. Click. Set status is not even working. Okay, wait, let's put initial status to be like amazing status. Something readable. Okay, so log out. Are we even doing the thing that we're supposed to be doing? Handle logout. Handle logout. Async this thing. Set status. The first thing that happens should be that the status should change. Why isn't it changing? On press. Handle logout. This might just be one of those. Okay. Yeah, okay, it's the pointer function, whatever that nonsense is. Okay, so Command Q. Now let's hopefully see if we can. Perfect. So, okay, so now we just jump from, let's do that real quick. I want to see the live transition. And yes, my typing is this terrible. What is... Oh no, what happened now? Are we at the same error again, dude? It's the same error, dude. No. So we never figured this problem out. At the end of the day, nothing happened with this. So we changed handle logout. Logout works because we were forced to come back here. But okay, so okay, Thomas, we gotta okay. Again, we're gonna ask the same dumb question. Let's see if we get something different. Our code is okay. Is our spelling correct? Sign in. Main tabs M and T are capital. Yes. It is correct. And yeah, this is copied from ChatGPT. It's the same nonsense. It's not the problem. Naming confusion in your app component. Okay, make sure the tabs screen is complete. So you're recommending me to use AppStack here. Alright, we'll try it out, man. Whatever. AppStack, where's AppStack? AppStack is right here. Alright, I need to take a quick 2-minute break. I'll be right back. Alright, we're back. Okay, so we're at AppStack, whatever nonsense that is. I mean, it's pretty obvious, right? We have two kind of two types of pages, which are like, auth stack, and then we have like main tab. So for both of them we need two stacks. Great, thanks ChatGPT. But this is the problem with vibe coding or whatever the hell. It's just in the end I'm gonna have to like read the details and figure it out. Again, first problem is logged in. Okay, if it's not logged in, name is equal to app stack. Okay, so I'm facing two errors. Okay, we need to explain it properly to the dumb thing. So, two errors. When using app stack is not a part of root stack param, whatever the hell, what's the name? Root stack param list, which has main tabs and what's the second one? Main tabs and auth stack. Second error is that here not assignable to auth stack. Which has sign in and create account. Alright, if we've broken it down, god damn. Okay, app stack not part of root. Okay, thanks for the clarification. I understand the issue better now. You're getting two errors. Oh no. Okay, that works. Okay. First error occurs when you're trying to use root stack. Really? I mean, clear enough, I guess. Let's copy this. You didn't do anything different here, right? No? No? I think everything's the same, yeah. We're not using is authenticated. Yeah, so we're just gonna do this. Auth stack, create app stack, name is equal to, okay. Okay, app stack is solved. The main tabs is still not solved. You haven't given any different code for that. Define separate stacks for auth and app screens. Yeah, dude, that's... I'm pretty sure everything is the same, right? Root stack, stack, and... main tabs. Suggest. So for root tab, we have tab, auth stack, auth stack. Okay, they've called it auth stack. Is this controlling? We have auth stack right here, dude. Just gonna do this. Root stack, auth and app stack, yeah. These are all fine. Oh my god, they made 4, dude. Okay. Root stack is create stack navigator param list. Auth stack is auth stack. App stack is root stack param list. Let's move this here. Tab is tab. Okay, app stack is used in other places. This dude. Man, what is this, dude? What are you doing? You're changing up my whole code, dude. Okay. Authstack navigator is authstack navigator dot. So I guess, okay, what they're doing is kind of, they're just, okay, I kind of see what's going on. They're trying to navigate the whole types. Main, is main the same? Main should be the same, right? Yeah. What is it? Main tabs. Just completely remove this. Main tabs is the same. App stack navigator. Auth stack navigator. Where is app stack navigator? I should think about this before I ask ChatGPT. ChatGPT is just wasting my time at this point, dude. Abstract navigator. So okay, let's look at it without. Let's just read the code. So we have first the app stack is not being used, right? So auth stack is just create stack navigator for auth stack. So this page would have auth stack.navigator, and then you would have two screens: create account and sign in. Next, app stack navigator would be main tabs. Do we even need this? App stack navigator. Firstly, this would be app stack.navigator, no? Okay, so this is root stack. Let's do app stack. What did I do? Okay. Okay, it's still showing the same nonsense. Maybe this is just a VS Code error. I'm gonna just assume that this is a VS Code error. Is there any other error that's visible here? No. I'm just gonna assume this is a VS Code error, and we're gonna try it again. because VS Code is sometimes buggy. If you can see, these two errors are still visible even though those aren't errors. That's just let's see. Firstly, we might have to log out, but that's fine. Okay. So log it out successfully. Okay, we have logged out. Now we need to log in again. Okay, we're still at the same dumb error. Root stack is auth stack and app stack. Auth stack param list. Oh. This is okay, wait. Instead of making this root, can we just make it type app stack param list, and we just do main tabs. How about that? And then we just do app stack. Is this big brain time or no brain time? Let's see. Man. Do you have a screen named main tabs? I guess, wait, so okay, let's think about this. So we're doing app stack and auth stack, right? So we're jumping from auth stack to app stack. So okay, instead of navigating, how about we just do this? What happens now? Nothing happens. Okay, so submission is correct. Perfect. So password is correct, but we're not navigating. So where do we navigate to? So we have auth stack and app stack. This is confusing. So we have auth stack. Okay, let's ask GPT. We have auth stack and app stack. Okay, let's just give like the basics here. So this is in, not this, let's say handle submit. Handle submit is in sign in.tsx. We want it to navigate to from auth stack to app stack, preferably app what is it, progress.tsx, progress, help me please. Navigate to app stack, assuming you're storing, oh wait, set item UID. So they're doing navigation.reset. Routes is, okay. So we can do this. Name is app stack. Const root stack is equal to stack navigator. Oh man, I think we need to do some like now some testing, dude. Okay, I mean, fine. They exported this type.tsx. Okay. It's never a clean transition, bro. What? Sign in, navigation, blah 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 blah. So you're sticking with this. This is apparently correct. So auth stack is just sign in and create account. Yes. App stack is main tabs. App stack, auth. Okay. Const main tabs is, and then okay, this hallucinated again. There's no const whatever main tabs unless it's getting imported. Types.ts. Okay, fine. Sign in. I should have learned about this in the sense that it's just I could have just read the docs in the beginning, but that looks, you never know how big of an issue or like a thing is before you start. It's always later on you're just like, oh my god, please. Okay. Transition between stacks. Yeah, there we go. Screen A, screen B, screen C. So, okay. In this question, we would do, this is auth, and this is app stack, where we have these 4 apps. How do we go from screen D to screen A? Alright, great. So we're gonna just do this. So we're gonna do, wow, the code never suggested this. So in sign in, just fuck this. Navigate to, so what is it called? Nested Navigator 2? That would be app stack. Is this correct? Or wait. Oh, okay, so this would be screen. Okay, I don't want to go through all the checking, but okay, so mm, okay, so this is the checked answer. So we will go to this. So what did they do? So this would be our name, empty array. Okay. The hell is navigation actions dot navigate? Okay, so it's just uh, okay. What is our setup here? We have a root stack, app stack, auth stack. Technically, we don't even need this. If we can just go jump from app stack to auth stack, then we don't need a root stack. I don't know where the hell root stack came from in this ChatGPT's head. If okay, first order of action would be to see what version of navigation we have. So we have 7.0, so everything is 7. Okay, so function const. Okay, I think we're in dynamic. So we have home tabs, right? Feed messages, correct? And we have root stack, which has home and profile. So home tab contains a tab navigator. It's also used for the home screen in your stack navigator. Oh, okay, so that's okay, interesting. Navigator specific methods are available. Consider the following examples. Name, feed, and messages are inside more tabs, and more tabs is here, but we also have home. Here you might want to navigate to more, which contains more tabs from your home screen component. Navigate more. Initial screen inside more tabs is shown, which is feed. More, comma, screen of messages. Well, we're doing that, but it's not helping. Firstly, we can bin this. I think we don't need root stack. There doesn't need to be a root if you can just. Okay, fine. We can keep the root stack just to keep it simple. I think in the example that they gave, one is like a subtree of whatever. So, okay, we have root stack, app stack, on stack prime list. I think I have to go for 5 minutes. We're back. Okay, next. I mean, not next, but still, we're doing the same thing. We're doing the. I have a specific vision of once we go from sign in, we want to jump to ideally progress. So auth stack is fine. Main tabs. Okay, we'll do this. So we'll do everything else is kind of okay. Let's remove these comments. Keep it as tight for the dumb thing. Alright, so here we have all of our parameters. And within sign in, this is not working. Okay, I've given given the stacks within stacks and tabs within app.tsx documentation for nesting navigation haters and sign in.tsx and login within help me navigate it from auth stack to app stack. So from sign in to any app to any tab. See, this is the problem. It keeps telling me to do this stuff every fucking time. Okay, root stack, auth stack, app stack. Okay, great. So we have. Make sure app stack is properly nested within the root stack. Okay, this thing keeps telling me to use. Oh my god, this keeps telling me to use app.reset for some reason. Multiple headers. I might eat and then finish this up. So this will require a lot of debugging, and I don't think this is interesting for a stream because basically it's going to be a lot of just reading this stuff, and a lot of that stuff it's just going to be a lot of reading notes and then all of this stuff and then trying it out. So we'll have to keep debugging this and figuring it out. It won't be the quick debugging or that we did in the previous stream, which just involved creating the pages and then kind of figuring out the stacks there. So I'm gonna end the stream, but I think I might do another new stream later, or we'll stream again tomorrow. So and hopefully by then we'll figure out a solution for this, because clearly there's something wrong, and maybe this is the problem. So app stack. I mean, that's not going to solve the issue because still within sign in we need to navigate to the parameter, right? So we'll give it one more effort, because see, even here it's going to say type never. So I'm gonna have to sit here and figure it out. I'm gonna have to like watch YouTube videos, and that's not a very this thing. So I think we'll end stream here, but yeah, yeah, by tomorrow hopefully we will finish this up, and yeah, I don't know what the hell this is, but okay. Yeah, it keeps doing that for some reason. I don't know what that is. Okay, like, share, subscribe. If you have any comments or if you want to learn more, um, please comment down. I'm gonna continue streaming. I'm might as well document the whole thing. So yeah,